Prime Minister Narendra Modi has distributed about 51,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits today on the Rosa Mela through video conferencing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the G20 University Connect finale program at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur today announced that veteran actor Wahida Rahman has been chosen for Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award this year. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, who is in New York yesterday, met President of the United Nations General Assembly Dennis Francis at UN headquarters. Dr. Jaishankar is scheduled to address the United Nations General Assembly this evening. In Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou, India's Neha Thakur bagged silver medal in the girls' in sailing event.